Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Sorry, of course, got it all backwards today. Got another beard oil for you. Cremo. Looks like they ventured over into the beard oils. But you know what? We're going to take a good honest look at this right after that intro. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now obviously, as you saw, we're going to take a look at the Cremo company beard oil, their Forest Blend. Now, for you brand new viewers and you longtime viewers who haven't done it yet, I think it's going to be in that corner. A little channel watermark's going to pop up. Go ahead, hover over that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. Go ahead, get it out the way early. You're going to feel better about yourself for the rest of the day. I can almost guarantee it. Now, I will say point blank, Cremo, never really heard of them, but after I did digging, they made a huge impact in the shaving community. Razors, aftershave, and that kind of stuff. 2 years ago, we're going through Wal-Mart, and I had just started my beard oil journey. I saw this, the Forest Blend. I like woodsy smells. And I also saw a different one by them, which I understand is exclusive to Walmart, and I'm going to be bringing that to the channel here in a little bit. Oh, before I forget, speaking of beard oils, up there somewhere on the top, I'm going to leave a link to every single beard product I've brought to the channel. That way you can see a great variety of them out there and, make some good choices for yourself. Now, I got to tell you, honestly, it's not going to break your bank. It's really not. It's got a great smell to it. I mean, like I said, this is the Forest Blend, and I don't know if you can see that too well in there. This is like my 5th bottle of this stuff. I use it a lot. It's kind of one of my go-to things just because the Forest Blend, God, it smells awesome. It's just, it really, really smells good. It's 100%, I believe it's 100% natural? Yeah. Sorry. I had to check down the notes just to make sure. They brag about being 100% natural and, they're able to back it up, which I like. Natural products in my beard and on my skin, I'm all for. I'm backing off of the really chemically flavored oils and the chemicals. I want something a little bit more natural and a little bit more healthy for me because, hell, I'm getting old. Look at the gray, And as most of you know from my step-parent series, I got 3 kids running around. They're killing me as it is. I don't need to speed up the process. Now, Cremo is based out of Laguna Beach, California. Putting all that aside, California, behind enemy lines, all that other crap. I love the fact, when I did a little bit of digging, the company was founded with Mike, one of its co-founders. He just couldn't find a shaving cream up to his standards, so he created his own products. I like that. Seriously, I really, truly like that. Now, I hope you can see this, because, man, there are a lot of little ingredients down there. And I'll be honest, I'm not really going to read them all off, so hopefully you can see that, and it's focused. Now, what I love, the company's goal is to create products that, they deliver astonishing results for a severely fair market price. I think it's kind of cool. I mean, it's a 1 ounce amber bottle. It has, honestly, the glass droppers, which I like. Hopefully you can see that. It's got a slight little bit of a golden tinge to it, which is okay, to me. It's not, like, totally clear. I was looking to see if it had any pumpkin seed oil in there. Because every oil that I've used that has pumpkin seed has a different color to it. And I bet it's because of the pumpkin seed. I don't know if you can see that too well, but right there's their company's website, cremocompany.com. Alright, let's talk pricing on these things. Oh, I will say, it's kind of a light to medium oil. It's in that little bridge between the two. It doesn't run all over your freaking hands when you're rubbing it in. I mean, it leaves a good coat. It goes wonderful into your beard. And it leaves, that great after smell. Now, I know this is weird. I was talking about this with my better half the other night. Certain people will react differently to certain oils and certain products in there and the smell on there. This thing leaves an amazing forest after scent. I mean, it really, truly does. The only way I can put it is if you've ever been in a forest, like right before it rains, that smell that's there, just how you can smell like the pine, the cedar, you know, the fir, just, it's like right there, and you're like, God, this is incredible. That's what that reminds me of. It really does. Yeah, I usually pick mine up at Walmart, and it's only about $10 there. So that's not bad for a 1-ounce bottle. That's basically on the lower end of the spectrum, because I'm usually paying anywhere between 10 and 15 bucks for a bottle. I think the most I've ever paid was 20. So that's right on the lower end for me. On CremoCompany.com, it's going to run you $12.99. And on Amazon, I went checking, it's $6.55 with free shipping, but it's an add-on item, so you just can't buy it by itself. You've got to buy some other stuff with it. Now, I really didn't find any feedback on like Walmart like I usually do. You know, no real reviews on Cremo, but it's got, for this one, it's got 143 reviews on Amazon, and it's rated 4.4 out of 5 stars. Guys, it's pretty cool. If you're just starting out with oil and you want to experiment, I heavily recommend. If you want something that's not going to break your bank, I heavily recommend. Seriously, I really do. Especially if you like woodsy smells, this guy. But all that important stuff, I want to know what you guys think. You know, you've been listening to me babble about beard oil for a little while now. You know, I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, all that great stuff down below. Especially if you've used Cremo Company's beard oil, let me know. Let me know your experiences. Let's share stories, you know? Now, with all that great stuff being said, if you're a first-time viewer of my channel, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for taking a moment of your day to watch this video. I know we do things a little bit different here on the channel, and I think that just adds to the fun, you know? Now, if you're a long-time viewer, and if you're still a first-time viewer who haven't done it yet, either on that side or that side, there's going to be a little channel logo popping up. It's going to be a lot bigger than that watermark. Man, just click on that thing, it's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've subscribed, go ahead and hit that bell icon. Why? Good question. It's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time I upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to be popping up on the screen, either on that side or that side. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. Guys, there we go. My very quick look at Cremo Company's Beard Oil Forest Blend. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an incredible day today.